Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the pairing mode on your Anker Soundcore P3i earbuds. So first you have to input these both earbuds inside the charging case, then simply open the case and find this button. You have to click and hold this button for like 3 seconds until this indicator on the front starts blinking quickly. Now you can release that button, and on available devices list, if you still cannot find them, just restart your Bluetooth settings, switch it off for a few seconds and then power on. Then pick them from available devices list. As you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.